कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिम् यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेशमकल्मषम् गोष्पतीकृतवाराशिं मशकीकृतराक्षसम् रामायण महामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम् अंजनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनम् कपीशम् अक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्का भयङ्करम् मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारी परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमद राक्षसान्तकं वाल्मीकिगिरिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनी पुनादिभुवनं पुण्या रामायण महानदी वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसी जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसा दासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः मंगलं कौसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणाब्धये चक्रवर्ती तनुजाय सार्वभौमाय मंगलम् सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। Tara is still defending Sugriva, knowing the nature of Lakshmana, who is really very fond of Sri Rama and his welfare, nothing else in his mind other than doing what is best that can resolve the problem of finding Sita and making Rama again complete his tenure of 14 years in the forest. Lakshmana's only aim is that, and therefore, knowing well, here Tara once again appealed to Lakshmana, defending him. We saw that Sugriva is not a Shataha, na Darunaha, ne Akridagnaha, naiva Kridagno Sugrivaha, na Shato na Pitharunaha, na eva Anrudakarakataha. He doesn't also give false promises. Na Jigmascha Kabeshwaraha. And also, he is not a deceitful person. And what has been done by Rama to him is anehi dushkaram yarane ramena upakaram kritam kapihi na api ayam vismrutaha. He has not forgotten this. Do not think that Sugriva is unmindful of that. That is what is said in the 4th verse in 35th circle. We'll continue from 5. Rama prasadat kirtim cha
Rama prasadat kirtim cha
kapirajyam cha shashvatam
kapirajyam cha shashvatam
tavan ihat Sugrivaha
praptavan iha Sugrivaha
Rumamam cha parantapa
rumam cha parantapa
sudukha kshayida purvam
sudukha shaita purvam
prapyedam sukhamuttamam
prapyedam sukhamuttamam
praptakalam na janite
praptakalam na janite
Vishwamitro yata munihi
Vishwamitro yatha munihi
Krutachyam kila samsakto
Ghritacyam kila samsakto
Dasha varshani Lakshmana
Dasha varshani Lakshmana
Aho manyata dharmatma
Aho manyata dharmatma
Vishwamitro mahamunihi
Vishwamitro mahamunihi
Sahi praptam na janite
Sahi praptam na janite
Kalam kala vidavaraha
Kalam kalavidam varaha
Vishwamitro mahateja
Vishwamitro mahatejaha
Kim punarya prutak Kim punarya prutak janaha
Kim punarya prithak janaha
Rama prasadat he parantapa Kirtim kapirajyam shashvatam kapirajyam Mrumam mam cha Sugrivaha iha praptavan. Sugriva is the one who is able to get his own lost fame, the very kingdom which is a very long-lasting kingdom, Shashvatam Kapirajyam, you can say, or Shashvatam Kirtim also. Sugrivaha Rumam Mamcha Praptavan. By all these things, me and the Ruma kingdom and the lost fame, everything is he got because of what? Rama Prasadat. Because of the, obviously, by the grace of Sri Rama only. You know, it is interesting what he had lost. Rama had lost the kingdom, but he gave it to Sugriva. He gave it to Vibhishan. He lost his wife, but he brought wife back to Sugriva. What he has suffered, others should not suffer. What most of us, what we think is, if I am suffering, the other people also should suffer the same thing. Then only I am happy. If I am going through COVID, why he is not going through the COVID? The neighbor should also go through the same thing problem. Then only you will understand. Stupid fellow. That is the way we think. Bhagavan's, attitude is what? What I go through should not be anybody else. And I know exactly how it is. Therefore, it is my prime responsibility to make sure others don't go through that. Karunya Sindho, he said in Vivek Chudamani, Ahetuka Karunya Sindho. Guru also is one who is a Ahetuka Karuna Sindho. Costless compassion. So earlier he was Dukkha Shaitaha Purvam. He was lying in great sorrow. Idam Sukhamuttamam Prapya. Now, having gained a comfortable position, now Sugriva And because of the recently gained status, his kingdom back, everything, prapta kalam na janite. Poor thing, he has lost time. Vishwamitro yata munihi. Like Vishwamitra also had same situation. What happened to Vishwamitra? Now you are bringing Vishwamitra here. So he was very fond of a particular apsara known as Ghritachi. Now we all know the story of how he got lost himself in Menaka's beauty. And Shakuntala was this daughter out of that. And they are now making a movie completely in Sanskrit, Shakuntalam of Kalidasa. It's going to come soon. It's very interesting. Completely everything is in Sanskrit only. The entire. I think this is the first film they have commercially made as a Sanskrit movie. And like, you know, Adi Shankaracharya's movie also was done Sanskrit in, it's a documentary. So here, but it's not a commercial venture. This is the first time they are doing that way. So here it is said, some scholars say Ghritichi and Menaka are one and the same. But some people say no, it's another occasion, another situation there. And Gritacham kila samsaktaha, so attached to her, Dashavarshani, hey Lakshmana, 10 years. Dashavarshani amanyata, days of 10 years of time, he totally forgot. And he understood, or he thought it is only one day. Aha amanyata. Aha amanyata means, aha means one daytime, one daytime. Iti amanyata, he thought. Dharmatma Vishwamitro Mahamani. Think about it. In his mind, it is only one day is over. 10 years. So much he was caught up in the sensuousness. Kalam praptam na janite kalavidambaraha. Praptam kalam na janite. He indeed did not know what it is. So there is no sense of time. It happens to all of us also. When we are too caught up in some exciting event or program, we don't even know how much time is gone. Time just runs. That's what's called relativity of time. Einstein was asked this question by one old lady. And I wanted to understand, what is this relativity of time? So Einstein very smilingly said, you know, we are sitting in the park bench, right? If instead of you, if your young daughter is sitting next to me, then the 1 hour will go like 1 minute. And so nothing, but I'm saying with you, 1 minute looks like 1 day. So that's what the difference. So when we do not want somebody around us, when does this person go away? When can I get out of it? 1 minute will look like, and if we are waiting for a flight also, when we are urgently, we want to reach a place and the flight is delayed, we get so restless. So 1 minute look like 1 day if you are unhappy with that person or situation. 1 day also will look like 1 minute when you are engrossed in the joy of it. But so praptam kalam na janite kalavidam varaha. He is not an ordinary person, Vishwamitra. Vishwamitra Mahateja. Kim punarya prutakjana. What talk of others? how do you think that other people, like ordinary people, like you and me, forget about it, you and me, what about this monkey? Earlier also she said that. So, Vedadharmagadasya prasya
देहधर्मगतस्यास्य
parishrantasya lakshmana
परिश्रान्तस्य लक्ष्मण
avitriptasya kameshu
अवितृप्तस्य कामेषु
ramakshantum niharhati
रामक्षन्तुम् इहार्हति
न च रोषवशं तात
न च रोषवशं तात
गन्तुमर्हसि लक्ष्मण
गन्तुमर्हसि लक्ष्मण
निश्चयार्थम् अविज्ञाय
निश्चयार्थम् अविज्ञाय
सहसा प्राकृतो यथा
सहसा प्राकृतो यथा
तत्त्वयुक्ता हि पुरुषाः
सत्त्वयुक्ता हि पुरुषाः
त्वद्विधा पुरुषर्षभ
त्वद्विधा पुरुषर्षभ
अविमृश्य न रोषस्य
अविमृश्य न रोषस्य
सहसा यान्ति वश्यताम्
सहसा यान्ति वश्यताम्
प्रसादये त्वां धर्मज्ञ
प्रसादये त्वां धर्मज्ञ
सुग्रीवार्थं समाहिता
सुग्रीवार्थं समाहिता
महान् रोषसमुत्पन्नः
महान् रोषसमुत्पन्नः
संरभ्य त्यजताम् अयं right
Yeah.
संरभ्यस्तजतामयम्
संरभ्यस्त्यजतामयम्
देह धर्म गतः देहस्य धर्म किं भवति देहस्य धर्मं किं what is the dharma of body gross body will constantly engage in gross matters that is deha dharma body doesn't think body thinks body doesn't think so body means made of 5 elements gross 5 elements tamo bhutaha tamo bhuta deha tamasa krita deha tamasa janita deha tama vishayam eva abhigacchati. So that which is born out of tamas, living in tamas, sustaining in tamas, will go to tamas only. So, and also he was parishranta. So tired of running from Vali. So deha dharmagatasya asya parishrantasya he Lakshmana avitruptasya kameshu avitruptasya. He is not even exhausted his desire even now. Kameshu avitruptasya, even still unsatisfied with what he is enjoying. He Shantum arhati Rama. Rama should forgive him. Please go to tell him clearly to Rama that this is a natural condition of all living beings who are caught up in this great whirlpool of desire and passion. Hey Tata, O Lakshmana, Robavasham na kantum arhasi. You should not get caught up into these Rosha. Rosha Vasham, not Rosha Vasham. In a Pasha, the printing is not that clear. Of course, Ropa is not appropriate here, obviously. So, Rosha Vasham na gantum harhasi. You are not supposed to get caught up in this frenzy, fury. Nischayartam abhigyaya sahasa prakruto yata. Prakritaha means a common man. Yata prakritaha na gantum arhasi. Like an ordinary man, you please don't get upset about all these things. Nischaya artham avijnaya, without properly deliberating on what exactly is the truth. Now I'm telling you, right? It's not like that. Sugriva is not like that usually. But because of the long lost kingdom and this and that, he is now enjoying it, and you should not misunderstand it. Sattva yukta hi purushaha twadvidaha he purushashava avimirshya sahasa roshasya vasyatam na yanti. People like you who are endowed with great virtues, sattva yukta purushaha twadvidaha, like you people, hey purusha, purusheshava, oh bullema, sahasa na yanti roshasya vasyatam. Without thinking, avimirshya. Vimarshanam is to deliberate, think about it, contemplate, or take counsel. Avimirshya, without deliberating. He dharmajna sugrivartam samahita prasadaye tvam. I submit to you, I appeal to you, prasadaye, tvam prasadaye samahita, sugrivartam samahita, for the sake of calmly think about it. Mahan rosha samutpannaha samrabdha tyajatam ayam rosha samutpannaha samrabha tyajatam. This situation born out of your anger, please give up. Samrabha means agitation, mental agitation, because of which you are now, very upset. Mahan samrabha rosha samutpanna. That's why it says kamayesha krodesha rajoguna samutpanna. Rajoguna samudbhava. There it is said. Yeshaha kamaha yeshaha krodaha rajoguna samudbhava. Here rosha samutpanna. So rosham is equal, that is anger born out of rajas, actually, no doubt. And that please forget about it or give up. Rumam mam changadam rajyam.
Rumam mam changadam rajyam.
Dhanadhanya pashunicha.
Dhanadhanya pashunicha.
Rama priyartam sugrivaha.
Rama priyartham sugrivaha.
Yajedi matirmama.
Tyajediti matirmama.
Samanopi sugrivaha. Samaneshati sugrivaha.
Samaneshyati sugrivaha.
Sitaya saharagavam.
Sitaya saharaghavam.
Shashankamiva rohinya.
Shashankamiva rohinya.
Atvatam rakshasadamam.
Hatvatam rakshasadhamam.
Shatakoti sahasrani.
Shatakoti sahasrani.
Lankayam kila rakshasam.
Lankayam kila rakshasam.
Ayutani cha shatvimshat.
Ayutani cha shatrimshat.
Sahasrani shatani cha.
Sahasrani shatani cha.
Ahatva tamscha durgarshan.
Ahatva tamscha durdharshan.
Sakasa rakshasan kamarupinaha.
Rakshasan kamarupinaha.
Nashakyo ravano hantum.
Nashakyo ravano hantum.
Yena sa maithili hrita.
Yena sa maithili hrita.
Yena shakyarane hantum.
Tena shakyarane hantum.
Asahayena lakshmana.
Asahayena lakshmana.
Ravana krura karma cha.
रावणक्रूरकर्मा च
Sugrivena Visheshatah.
सुग्रीवेण विशेषतः
Mam Rumam Angadam Rajyam Danadanya Pashuni Cha Rama Priyartham Sugrivaha Tajet. All these things that he has got, you think that he is so attached to them, all of them. He lived without them also for so many years. No doubt he was suffering at that time, that without me and without Angada, Ruma, and then whole kingdom and all that. But he has got it, and by whose grace he got it? Rama Prasadat. If he has got it out of the grace of the Lord, he will also give up for the sake of the Lord. Rama Priyartham Sugrivaha Etat Sarvam Tyajet. Iti Matirmama. You know, it's a great teaching here for all of us. We always should consider all that we have got is because of His grace. For His sake, we should be ready to give up also. ऐसा हम नहीं करते. What we have got, we think that we all got because of our own efforts. भगवान के लिए कुछ देता नहीं. When we say give up for the sake of the Lord, why should I give up? Because of whose prasada, because of whose grace only you got it. When it is like when somebody gave you something, rakne ke liye, for someday you keep it, I'll come back and take it. When he comes back and no, I'm not giving it. He gave it to you for only some short time to keep it. Not you are the owner. Gurudev always would say, you are only a trustee of everything, not the owner. Who is a trustee? To whom you give out of trust. Is it not? I give it to you, trusting you, hey, keep it for a while, I'll come back and take it. Okay. Then after I come back, I am the owner. How can you become the owner? I just gave you. See, it is also true that if you are a trustee of any, you cannot enjoy the benefit of that trust. Correct or not? That's why it's called trust. You can give it to your son or somebody, but not you. You cannot take the money out of your own trust. So that attitude should be there with everything in our life. Sab Bhagavan ka hai. Everything is belong to the Lord, and I'm ready to give up anything and everything for the sake of the Lord. So Rama Priyartham Sugrivaha Taje iti Matirmama. Sugrivaha Sitaya Ragavam Samanishyati. Sugriva will surely make sure that Rama and Sita are brought together again. Rama will join with Sita. Oh, Shashankam Rohinya Iva. Like the moon associating itself with Rohini. The best combination in the world or in the whole universe. Moon with the Rohini is considered by the astrologer as the best. And therefore, he says, because moon, the sun, moon, the god moon allows the red color of the Rohini. But Rohini means red only anyways. So, Rohinya Shashankam iva. Rakshasa Adamam Hatva. Tam Rakshasam Adamam Ravanam Hatva. Suramena Saha Sitaya Ishyati. He will definitely make a join Sita, Rama with Sita, Sitaya Saha with Sita. And we heard that there are 100,000 Rakshasas up there. 100, no, not 100,000. Shatakoti Sahasrani. 100,000 crore. Where's the place for this? Layer after layer living. So many Rakshasas. Shatakoti Sahasrani Lankayam Kila Rakshasam. And the ogres also. How? Trimshat Sahasrani Shatani cha. 3,99,600. They have taken statistics also. That many ogres also there. It is not possible for Rama to single-handedly do it. But without killing, without destroying Ravana, it is impossible to get Sita anyways. Tamsha Durgarshan Rakshasan Kamarupinaha. They are also capable of taking their shape. They would not know that they are Rakshasas. They will not appear like Rakshasas. They are all like senators, congressmen, and such in this country also. Think about it. These Rakshasas don't appear like Rakshasas. They are very sophisticated senators, congressmen. And what they do, see, only when instigated by them, how the common man takes a weapon in the hand and enters into the Senate, you understand them. Who are behind them? If they cannot come to a meeting, anybody comes to an assembly or meeting with weapons, prepared to hit and attack. So these people don't appear like Rakshasas. Kamarupinaha, they take any form. Ramanaha hantum na shakyaha. So, yena maitili hruta. Without killing those, atva rakshasan, Ravanaha hantum na shakyaha. Without killing all those people who are supporting him, 50% of the population supporting. It is impossible to get the real Sita out of him. He is holding the fort now. Yena maitili hruta. Because of by whom the Maithili has been kidnapped. So without asahayena, without help, Lakshmana rane na shakya hantum. Asahayena. Without any help, it is impossible to get rid of him. Ravanaha krura karma. Sugrivene visheshataha Ravanaha krura karma asahayena na rane hantum shakya. Sugriva by himself also cannot go and able to get rid of Ravana, nor Rama by himself without kill him all the Rakshasas and ogres. It is not possible to get rid of Ravana. So what should be done? Mutually we need. Rama needs the help of the monkey army, and Sugriva cannot by himself do it. Rama is necessary to make sure that Ravana is killed also. By Sugriva himself, he could not even touch Vali. What a compound. Evamakyatavan Vali.
Evamakhyatawan Vali.
Nahyabhigno Harishwaraha. Sahabhigno Harishwaraha.
Sahyabhigno Harishwaraha.
Agamastu na me vyaktaha.
Agamastu na me vyaktaha.
Shravatasya brivimyaham.
Shravatasya bravimyaham.
Tvatsahaya nimittam hi.
Tvatsahaya nimittam hi.
Preshita haripungavaha.
Preshita haripungavaha.
Anetum vanaran yuddhe.
Anetum vanaran yuddhe.
Subahun haripungavan.
Subahun haripungavan.
Tancha pradikshamano yam.
Tanscha pratikshamaano yam.
Vikrantan sumahabalan.
Vikrantan Sumahabalan
Ragavasyartham siddhyartham.
Raghavasartha
Artha
Siddhyartham
siddhyartham, correct. Na niryati harishwaraha
Na Niryati Harishwaraha
Kritasuram susamsta Kritasusamta saumitre
Krita Susamstha Saumitre
Sugrivena purayata
Sugrivena Purayatha
Adya Adyatai Vanare Sarvaihi
Adyatairvanarai Sarvaihi
Agantavyam Mahabalaihi.
Ragantavyam Mahabalaihi.
Agantavyam, not Ragantavyam.
Huh?
So, evam,
Oh, okay.
evam Vali Akyatam. This is not what I am telling you, Lakshmana. This is what Vali had told us. That Ravana cannot be killed that easily. And there are 100,000, 100 crores of them. 100 crore thousand of Rakshasas are there in the Lanka. So this is what Vali, evam Akyatavan Vali, Saha hi Abhignaha. He is known, he is very well familiar with this situation, Harishwara Vali. So, Name Vyaktaha, it is not I know it about it directly. Agamastu, this is what is being told for generations, and Vali also know it, and I heard it from Shravat Tasya, Tasya Shravat. Valinaha Shravat. From the Vali's statement, I came to know Tasya Bravimiham. Bravimiham, I am telling you about what I have heard from him, and he heard. Traditionally, it has been told. And Haripungavaha, Haripungavaha, Preshitaha, Tatsahaya Nimittam hi. The best of the monkeys have been sent out for the sake of helping you people, Rama and Lakshmana. Vanaran Yuddhe Anetum. Various kinds of monkeys placed in different parts of the country are being called upon. What is that called that as? When they call the youngsters, all of them to, what is that practice is known as? Enrolling themselves into the military.
Drafting.
Drafting. They are being drafted now. Yuddhe Vanaran Anetum Subahun Haripungavan. Most of the monkeys who can face the battle are being drafted right now all over the country. So Sumahabalan Vikrantan Tan Pradikshamanaha Ayam. So Harishwara, he is just waiting for all of them to arrive. Ragavasya Artha Siddhyartham. Just for the sake of Ragava's task to be accomplished. And until they come, na niryadi, he will not set his foot out. He is just waiting for all of them to arrive. He will not move out of this place until all of them come. And Krita Samstha Susamstha Saumitri, he has already established an organized way of how to draft them. Sugrivena Purayata. Even before you arrived here, he has already taken care of doing all that. When are they arriving? Adya, today. Today. Taihi Vanarehi Sarvehi Akantavyam Mahabalahi. They are supposed to be arriving today. Agantavyam. Why? This today is the day that will see all these people arriving. Arrival, this is Agantavyam, is arrival by those people are today. That's how it should be taken. Adya tenai taihi vanareihi mahabalaihi sarvaihi agantavyam. So they are all arriving. So you have come at the right time. You will see the whole battalion now who are going to be arriving now. Oh, so slowly, Lakshmana realized, yes, this is right. Oh, I've just little become restless and little, what do you call that? Jumped the gun before. Should not have done that. Vrikshakoti sahasrani
वृक्षकोटिसहस्राणि
golangu gula shadani cha golangula shadani cha
गोलाङ्गूलशतानि च
adyatvam upayasyanti
अद्य त्वाम् उपयास्यन्ति
jahi kopamarindama
जहि कोपमरिन्दम
kotyone kastu kakusta
कोट्योनेकास्तु काकुत्स्थ
apinam deepta tejasam
कपीनां दीप्ततेजसाम्
avahi sukamidam niriksha kopat mukamidam tavahi mukamidam niriksha kopat
तव हि मुखमिदं निरीक्ष्य कोपात्
शतसमे नयने निरीक्षमाणाः
क्षतजसमे नयने निरीक्षमाणाः
हरिवर वनिता नयान्ति शान्तिम्
हरिवरवनिता नयान्ति शान्तिम्
प्रथमभयस्य हि शङ्किता स्म सर्वाः
प्रथमभयस्य हि शङ्किता स्म सर्वाः
वृक्षकोटिसहस्राणि and 100 crores of the bears also are going to come there supporting them and kolangula shadani and also kolangula. So those particular kind of monkeys who have a long kind of tail. So those kind of monkeys are also expected. Adya Tvam Upayasyanti, they will arrive at your very place itself, meaning here, Jahi Kopam Idam Arindama, oh, the destroyer of enemies, please leave your anger. And Koti Anekaha, 100 crores of them are coming them there, Kagusta, Kapinam, Deepatejasam, after seeing these men, so many monkeys who are going to come, please leave your anger. Adyatvam upayasyanti. And therefore, another thing is, your anger is so fearsome. These women, in this chamber, they are so agitated. Tava mukamidam nirikshya. Looking at your face, kopat kshadachasame, bloodshot. Kopat, due to anger. Nayane, shadachasame nayane nirikshamanaha harivaraj vanitaha. Those who are seeing your bloodshot eyes out of anger coming out on your face, shantim nayanti. They are not peaceful here. And also, pratama bhayasya shankitaha sma sarva. Because they know what happened to Vali. They are familiar with what happened to Vali in the battlefield when you and Rama got angry. So they know exactly, looking at your face, what will happen to Sugriva or anybody else. So please, indirectly, I'm telling you, just stop this. Ityarshya Srimad Ramayane Valmiki Adi Kavye Kishkinda Kande Panchatrimshah Sarga. So the 35th Sarga completes by this appeal by Tara to Lakshmana to get rid of this anger. Consider Sugriva as one who has caught up in this no doubt desire, which is he was so long, have been tired, and so now he has got some freedom. But not that he has forgotten what needs to be done. He's ready to give up everything for the sake of Rama, because he got everything because of the Rama's grace. So therefore, and he has already ordered hundreds and crores of various monkeys and bears and other things to come for the sake of fulfilling Rama's very task of bringing Sita to him. Without the help, Sugriva, without the help of Rama, Sugriva by himself also cannot do the task. And also without killing all the Rakshasas and Ravana, the full accomplishment is not going to happen. So this way, appealed by Tara, slowly, Lakshmana realized any hasty decision is wrong. So the elaborate explanation is only to tell us that do not do anything very harshly. Do not take hasty decisions. Haste goes waste. That's what they say. Anything done in a hurry will create only worry. So do not do that. So here in 36 says, Ityuktastaraya vakyam
Ityuktastaraya vakyam
prashritam dharma samhitam
prashritam dharma samhitam
mridusvabhava saumitrihi
mridusvabhava saumitrihi
pratijagraha tatvajah
pratijagraha tadvachaha
tasmin pratigrihitetu
tasmin pratigrihitetu
vakye hariganeshwarah
vakye hariganeshwarah
Lakshmanat suhamatrasam
Lakshmanat sumahatrasam
sumahatrasam Lakshmanat sumahatrasam
Lakshmanat sumahatrasam
Vastram klinnam ivatyajat
Vastram klinnam ivatyajat
tadakantagatam malyam
Tatah kanthagatam malyam
chitram bahugunam mahat
Chitram bahugunam mahat
chicheda vimadaschasid
Chicheda vimadaschasit
Sugrivo vanareshwarah
Sugrivo vanareshwarah
Salakshmanam bhimabalam
Salakshmanam bhimabalam
sarvavanarasattamah
Sarvavanarasattamah
abravit prashritam vakyam
Abravit prashritam vakyam
Sugrivas sampraharshayan
Sugriva sampraharshayan
pranashta shrishta kirtischa
Pranashta shrishcha kirtischa
kapirajyam cha shashvatam
Kapirajyam cha shashvatam
Rama prasadat saumitre
Rama prasadat saumitre
punaschaptamidam maya
Punashchaptamidam maya
kashaktah tasya devasya
Kah shaktah tasya devasya
jatasya svena karmana
Khyatasya svena karmana
Adrisham pratikurvita
Tadrusham pratikurvita
Amshena pindrapatmaja
Amshena pinrupatmaja
Dharma sahitam or samhitam. Okay, dharma samhitam, maybe dharma sahitam also is okay. Idam vakyam, prashritam vakyam Taraya uktaha. This very statement or the details politely with all virtuous way of speaking uttered by Tara Pratijagraha tatvajaha Saumitrihi. He received it without interfering. Many people have this very, very bad habit. When you say something, I know. But if you know, then don't you listen to me. very sheer habit of that. And some of them add this, I don't know, no. You just watch, you will get very frustrated. And some people, as I said, I know. Yeah, I know. So Lakshmana was not uttering a word, just watched Tara speaking the whole thing. And that very thing shows that how Saumitri is Mrutu Swabhava. Soft. Really, he's very upset because of what situation has been. But he's not a person who is impatient. If he's impatient, he would not be living with Rama for 14 years. Extremely patient. And at the same time, he cannot tolerate a thing that can disturb Rama. So, Mrudu Swabhavaha Saumitri Pratichakraha Tatvajaha. And Sugriva was just waiting for that, looked at the face of Lakshmana, how is he feeling about it? Because he sent Tara only for that purpose. So when he saw slowly that Lakshmana is able to grasp all that he said. Pradijigre tu vakye tasmin Sati Saptami. On the acceptance of those words by Lakshmana, Hariganeshwaraha Sugrivaha Lakshmanat Sumahat Trasam. The fear that he had of Lakshmana, Lakshmanat Trasam, fear out of Lakshmana, which is so intense, he was able to give up. Like what? Vastram kilanna vastram iva atyajat. He gave up like a wet cloth. When you are wearing and going a nice dress and it started to rain and you didn't have the umbrella and then the whole thing is totally wet. Even if it's the best of the dress, won't you just give it up? In that way, the fear that he had of Lakshmana, which he was carrying as soon as he heard that he has come, he was able to slowly give up that. Tataha Kantakatam Malyam Chitram Bahugunam Mahat. Even as he was wearing a mala on his own neck, which is very beautiful and which is Bahugunam of various qualities, Chicheda, he just tore it. And Vimataha, and he came out of the intoxication. Asid Sugriva Vanareshwara. It is to say that I am ready to give up everything for Rama. It is indirectly to indicate that. Whatever he was wearing, he just gave it up. That's done. I am done with this, all this, my indulgences, etc. Now I am ready for Rama's work. And that I am ready to give up for him. Sarvavanara Sattamaha Sugrivaha Abravit Prasritam Vagyam. Sampraharshayan Sugriva, one who is so delighted. Lakshmanam Bhimabalam, to that Lakshmana who is so strong as very heavy. I mean, of course, Bhima cannot be compared here, that Bhima, because that comes later. But Bhima Bala means very strongly built. Lakshmana, to him, the one who has become so happy that situation has turned out to his favor. Slowly, he turned to him and started to say, hey, Lakshmana, Saumitre, idam, all these, what? Pranashta, Kirtihi, Shrihi, Kapirajyam, Shashvatam, Rama Prasadat, Punascha Aptam. This whole thing which I have lost a long time back, my name or the fame and the prosperity, Shrihi, prosperity, Kirti, name, fame, Pranashta Kirtihi, Pranashta Srihi, and Shashwatam Kapirajyam, this long-lasting, great kingdom. He Saumitri, Rama Prasadat, Punaha Aptam Maya. By me, it is all gained again. So I am very grateful. Svena karmana kyatasya devasya tasya kaha shaktaha tadrisham pradikurvita amshena abhinatava. O son of the king, Dasharatha, Svena karmana kyatasya. He, the one who is known, very well known in this world by his own action. Such a divine one, devasya tasya amshenapi tadrisham pradikurvita ka shakya shaktaha. Even a portion of what he has done, who in this world can repay? Is it possible? Bhagavan needs not be glorified. Bhagavan doesn't require you to glorify. His glory is his own. Because you are glorifying, he does not become glorious. You see, in the world, what happens? If nobody is praising you, you feel that I will not be known. इसलिए फेसबुक ओपन करके क्या क्या मैं किया, कौन कौन है मेरा फेसबुक में, कहाँ कहाँ गया मैं, क्या क्या लेके आया होम डिपो से, all those things you have to go on. Why? Because otherwise the people don't know you, what you are doing. Your picture all over. See, we will be known only when others know us. Bhagavan. Svena karmana kya tha? His own action will speak volumes of his glory. So you will say, praise the Lord. Kiske liye? For your affinity towards him, to express your affinity towards him, you praise. Not that he is looking for your praise. Svena karmana kya tha? Well known for by his own actions. Aisa hona chahiye hamara chahiye. Hamara karma, our own action should speak volumes, not because you wait for everybody is talking about me. That kind of a fame you want. Then if they are not there, what is your condition? Left high and dry. So you are to be known by your own actions, not because of anything else. Svena karmana kyatasya devasya. Even a little also. Amshena bhi pratikartum kaha shakta. Even a fraction of it. Can anybody fulfill that? So, continuing here, says, Sitam prapsyati dharmatma.
Sitam prapsyati dharmatma.
Vadishyati charavanam.
Vadishyati charavanam.
Sahaya matrena maya.
Sahaya matrena maya.
Raghavasvena tejasa.
Raghavasvena tejasa.
I hope I'm not over. What's the time right now? 7?
7:29, Swamiji.
Okay, all right. Because there are few, 3 or 3, 4 watches, was each one of them giving different time to me. So I don't know which exactly is the time. Okay. Sahaya krityam kim tasya.
Sahaya krityam kim tasya.
Yena saptamaha tamaha drumaha.
Yena saptamaha drumaha.
Girishcha vasudha chaiva.
Girishcha vasudha chaiva.
Bane neke. Okay. Bane neke na dharitaha.
Bane naikena daritaha.
Dhanurvisparamanasya. Dhanurvisparamanasya.
धनुर्विस्फारमाणस्य
यस्य शब्देन लक्ष्मण
यस्य शब्देन लक्ष्मण
शैला कंपिता भूमिः
सशैला कम्पिता भूमिः
सहायै किं नु तस्य वै
सहायै किं नु तस्य वै
अनुयात्रां नरेन्द्रस्य
अनुयात्रां नरेन्द्रस्य
करिष्येऽहं नरर्षभ
करिष्येऽहं नरर्षभ
गच्छतो रावणं हन्तुम्
गच्छतो रावणं हन्तुं
वैरिणं सपुरःसरम्
वैरिणं सपुरःसरम्
यदि किञ्चित् अतिक्रान्तम्
यदि किञ्चित् अतिक्रान्तं
विश्वासात् प्रणयेन वा
विश्वासात् प्रणयेन वा
प्रेष्यस्य क्षमितव्यं मे
प्रेष्यस्य क्षमितव्यं मे
न कश्चिन्नापराध्यति
न कश्चिन्नापराध्यति.
So here he says Dharmatma Ravanam Hatva Ravanam Vadishyati, sir. Ravanam Vadishyati Dharmatma Sitam Prapsyati. He will definitely kill Ravana and he will also get Sita back. Maya Sahaya Matrena Raghava. Svena Tejasa Vadishyati. Svena Tejasa Sitam Prapsyasi. Maya Sahaya Matra. He will definitely, by his own valor and strength, he will kill Ravana, get Sita. What I am going to do is a very, very little part of help. See the humility with which he talks there. He is giving the entire army, and he says, I am doing a very little job. Sahaya Matra. Here, Sahaya Matra, because of my Sahaya alone, that should not be translated like that. Earlier he said that nobody can, compare. Nobody can do a thing what he can do. And he says, that's why in the next word he says, Mahadrumaha girischa vasudha chaiva ekena banena dharita. With one single shaft or one single arrow, he had destroyed 7 trees, a hill, and the entire bhumi started to shake. Tasya sahayakritam kim? Sahayakrityam kim? What help anybody he would need? Tasya sahayakrityam kim? What could be done to him? Who can do all this great feat by himself? Not that he has to take and shoot an arrow. Danu visvaranamanasya. When he just twanged that very thing, the string, Danuhu visparamanasya yasya shabdena Lakshmana Sashaila Kampita Bhumi. The whole place will shake. The entire universe will be shaken up. Tasya sahayahi kimnu. What is the purpose of any kind of any help for him? But I will just go with him. Anuyatram Narendrasya Karishyaham. I will just go with him in Narashrabha. Ravanam Hantum, Vairinam Ravanam Hantum Gachataha Sapurasat. At the forefront, as the army would go, I will just go with them. And for the sake of destroying Ravana as he goes forward, I will proceed on with him. And so please, whatever I said, I didn't do, whatever happened, kinchit adikrantam na aparadhyati. Kaschit. Please, anything that I have done, please do not punish me for that. Yadi kinchit adikrantam. If in case I have transgressed, out of what? Vishwasat, out of confidence. Pranayena, out of love for Rama. Me preshyasya, me the servant, kshamitavyam, to be forgiven na kaschin aparadhati. Please do not punish me for that. So, seeking the grace of Lakshmana, Sugriva had submitted that I will support in all ways, and I have already taken care of few things. Please give up your anger, and I will do my best. Nobody can indeed do anything that what Rama can do. Not even an iota, a small particle of his strength or his accomplishment can be done by anybody else. Aganita Gun, who will chant today? Shobha, do it.
अगणित गुण गण भूषण राम
आश्रित
आश्रित
वत्सल
वत्सल जय जय राम अयोध्यवासी सीता राम आपद बांधव जय जय राम दशरथ नंदन श्री राम दशमुखमर्दन जय जय राम कौसल्या सुखवर्धन राम कामित फलदा जय जय राम पाप विमोचन श्री राम
पट्टाभिराम
जय जय राम जानकी जीवन सीता राम जय रघुराम जय सिया राम वानर सेवित श्री राम वारिधि वंदन जय जय राम हनुमत पूजित सीता राम जय रघुराम जय सिया राम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीता राम श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।